Here is a conversation between two friends, Anna and Sophia, meeting at a shopping mall, discussing their purchases, and planning to have a bite to eat.
Oh, hey Anna, I didn't see you there.
Hi Sophia, what a coincidence, meeting you here. How are you?
I'm good, just browsing the sale racks. What about you?
I'm great. I just bought a pair of boots at that shoe store over there. They had a huge discount.
Oh, nice, I saw you go in. I was thinking of checking out that boutique across the way. They have some new arrivals.
I was just there. The collection is really good, but I didn't find anything for myself. I did find a great shirt, though.
That's awesome, you have such a good eye for clothes. I never know what to get for myself.
Well, we could go in there together. I could help you pick something out.
That would be amazing. After that, maybe we can grab a coffee or something to eat. I'm starving.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do that. I saw a new cafe that opened up on the second floor.
Perfect. Let's go to the boutique first.
What happens next? They head to the boutique, where Maya tries on some clothes, and then they decide to get coffee before heading home.